The Beluga XL is one of the most impressive and powerful cargo planes flying today. Launched in 2020, it was created to help Airbus transport huge airplane parts, like 2 A350 wings at once, which the older model couldn't carry. Built on the A330-200 freighter, the Beluga XL can haul up to 51 tons and fly about 4,000 kilometers non-stop. Its whale-inspired shape is easy to spot, with a massive cargo bay, a lowered cockpit, and a special tail designed to handle oversized cargo. Inside, it's so spacious it can fit 26 small cars. The Beluga XL serves 11 cities across Europe and is incredibly efficient, able to unload and reload in just 70 minutes. Plus, it uses sustainable aviation fuel, making it more eco-friendly. The Beluga XL plays a vital role in Airbus's mission to speed up airplane production and transform how big cargo is flown, making the whole process faster, smarter, and greener. Day Solar is a French company breaking new ground with solar-powered airships. Their mission is to create a clean, green way to travel with zero carbon emissions. These airships are covered in large solar panels that soak up sunlight during the day, powering electric motors and charging batteries for night flights. Running entirely on solar energy, Day Solar's airships produce no pollution, making them a super eco-friendly option for travel. Their smart design and solar power allow them to stay in the air for long periods, perfect for long-distance journeys. This exciting technology could transform the future of sustainable air travel and help protect our planet. The Stargazer M4 is an exciting new hypersonic aircraft designed to be reusable, which means it can fly again and again without needing costly rebuilds. This reusability is a game changer because it lowers the overall cost of flying at incredible speeds, making hypersonic travel more affordable and practical for everyday use. At the heart of the Stargazer M4 is the powerful Venus detonation ramjet engine, known as the VDR-2. This engine is truly groundbreaking. It combines the fuel efficiency of a traditional ramjet with the extreme power of a rotating detonation engine. This unique mix allows the aircraft to reach mind-blowing speeds while using fuel smartly. With its blazing speed and impressive range, the Stargazer M4 could connect cities around the world in a fraction of the time it takes today's commercial planes. Imagine flying from New York to London or Tokyo to Sydney in just a couple of hours. This rapid travel could change the way we think about global trips, business travel, and even emergency response. The Varel Lift Airship, developed by UK-based Varel Lift Airships plc, is an exciting breakthrough in heavy-lift airships. What makes it truly unique is its ability to switch from being heavier than air on the ground to lighter than air when flying. This clever design means it can easily load and unload heavy cargo while on the ground, something traditional airships can't do as easily. Varel Lift is creating airships that can carry huge weights, starting from 50 to 250 tons for their first models. They also plan to build even bigger airships in the future that could lift over 3,000 tons. These airships are incredibly flexible and perfect for moving large, heavy items that are tough or impossible to transport with regular planes, trucks, or ships. Thanks to this innovative technology, Varel Lift airships could change how we move massive cargo around the world, making it easier, faster, and more efficient. The Bell 525 Relentless is a modern, high-performance helicopter built by Bell Textron in the US. It's designed to handle demanding tasks, with space for up to 19 passengers or 8,200 pounds of cargo, ideal for transport, rescue, or heavy-duty operations. This helicopter combines speed and range, reaching up to 190 miles per hour and flying as far as 644 miles. It's powered by two strong General Electric CT72F1 engines, each delivering 1,800 horsepower. With a 4-blade main rotor and a 5-blade tail rotor, it offers a smooth and steady flight. What makes the Bell 525 stand out is its advanced technology. It features a fly-by-wire system that helps pilots fly more easily and safely by replacing manual controls with electronic ones. The cockpit includes large digital screens, giving pilots clear and real-time flight data. It also has built-in weather radar to detect and avoid dangerous weather. Smart, powerful, and built for safety, the Bell 5F-25 Relentless is ready for tough missions. Whether it's flying people, carrying heavy loads, or navigating through challenging weather, this helicopter delivers top performance with confidence. The MQ-9 Reaper is a powerful unmanned drone used by the U.S. military and its allies. Designed by General Atomics, it's built for long missions and high performance. This drone can soar up to 50,000 feet and stay in the air for more than 27 hours at a time. What makes the MQ-9 so impressive is its mix of smart tech and serious firepower. It carries advanced cameras and sensors for surveillance, along with deadly weapons like Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs. That means it can find, follow, and strike targets with incredible accuracy. Although it flies without a pilot on board, skilled operators control it from the ground. They use it to gather real-time intelligence, watch over key areas, and respond quickly to threats. The MQ-9 Reaper is more than just a drone. It's a critical tool in modern military operations. Whether it's providing eyes in the sky or launching precise attacks, it plays a major role in keeping missions successful and troops safe. It's one of the most trusted and effective drones in the world today. Vertical Aerospace is turning the idea of flying taxis into reality. This UK company has developed the VX4, a fully electric, zero-emission aircraft that can take off and land vertically, just like a helicopter. The VX4 can carry 4 passengers along with a pilot. It flies at speeds up to 150 miles per hour and has a range of about 100 miles, making it perfect for quick city-to-city trips. Recently, the VX4 made history by completing Europe's first flying taxi flight in open airspace, a huge step for the future of urban air travel. Big airlines like American Airlines and Virgin Atlantic have already pre-ordered over 1,000 VX4s. Plus, with strong backing from the UK government, Vertical Aerospace is aiming to launch commercial flying taxi services by 2028. This is more than just a new way to get around. It's a clean, fast, and efficient solution for the future of travel. And Vertical Aerospace is right at the forefront, leading us into this exciting new era of flight. Say is a next-generation airship that looks like a giant high-tech balloon, but it's so much more. Floating 60,000 feet above the Earth in the stratosphere, it can hover over one location for long periods instead of drifting like a regular balloon. This makes it perfect for delivering internet to remote places, tracking environmental changes, and monitoring natural disasters in real time. With its tough, gas-tight shell and solar-powered system, Say can stay in the sky day and night without needing to land. What makes it even more exciting is the strong support behind it. NASA and other major agencies are backing Say to help bring better communication and environmental protection around the world. Say isn't just flying, it's changing the game. By combining advanced technology with sustainable energy, it's opening up new ways to connect people and protect the planet from above. The Quarter-Horse Mark I by Hermeus is changing the future of flight. This sleek, uncrewed aircraft is built to test hypersonic speeds, and it's already making big moves. Powered by a GE J85 turbojet engine, the Mark I took off for the first time in May 2025 at Edwards Air Force Base, just 204 days after the project began. Its main goal is to test how planes can take off and land at extremely high speeds, a key step toward the dream of hypersonic travel. Think about flying from New York to London in just 90 minutes. That's what Hermeus is aiming for. And they're not stopping here. The next version, the Mark II, is expected to reach speeds up to Mach 2.5 by the end of this year. But it's not just about flying faster, it's also about building faster. The Quarter-Horse program is proving that we can bring hypersonic technology to life quickly and efficiently. This isn't just another test aircraft. The Mark I is paving the way for a future where long-distance travel is faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. Introducing the BYA-1, the world's first hydrogen-electric business jet concept by Beyond Aero. This futuristic aircraft is designed to change the way we fly, quietly, efficiently, and without emissions. Instead of using jet fuel or batteries, the BYA-1 runs entirely on a hydrogen fuel cell system. It generates 2.4 megawatts of clean electricity to power 2 electric ducted fans at the back. That means powerful performance with zero carbon emissions. The jet's sleek, aerodynamic design boosts efficiency while keeping safety in mind. There are no high-pressure fuel lines inside the cabin, making it safer for passengers. It's built to carry 6 to 8 people up to 800 nautical miles at speeds of 360 knots, enough to cover more than 85% of business flights across Europe. Beyond Aero plans to certify and launch the BYA-1 by 2030, aiming to make it the first hydrogen-electric light jet in commercial service. The BYA-1 isn't just a concept. It's a bold step towards sustainable aviation. A cleaner, quieter, and smarter way to fly is just on the horizon. The Jet Zero Z4 is a futuristic aircraft that's set to change the way we travel. Unlike traditional planes, it features a unique blended wing body design, where the wings and fuselage are merged into one sleek aerodynamic shape. This design isn't just eye-catching. It helps the plane use up to 50% less fuel, reduces emissions, and can fly up to 5,000 nautical miles without stopping. Inside, the Z4 offers a whole new flying experience. The spacious cabin feels more like a modern lounge than a typical plane, and can comfortably seat around 250 passengers. Big industry names like United Airlines, Delta, and even the US Air Force are backing the project. A full-scale flight test is expected in 2027, and if everything goes as planned, the Z4 could start flying passengers by 2030. The Jet Zero Z4 isn't just a cool-looking concept. It's a bold step toward cleaner, quieter, and more efficient air travel. This could be the plane that redefines what flying looks and feels like in the future. The Lockheed CL-1201 was one of the most incredible and bold aircraft ideas ever imagined. Designed in the 1960s, it was a gigantic flying aircraft carrier powered by nuclear energy. With a wingspan of 1,120 feet, wider than anything built before, and weighing almost 6,000 tons, it was designed to stay in the sky for over 40 days. It could carry up to 24 fighter jets, turning the air into a flying military base. To lift off, it would use 182 vertical lift engines, then switch to 4 massive nuclear jet engines for cruising. Its power came from a huge 1,830 megawatt nuclear reactor, making it way ahead of its time. But despite the amazing vision, challenges like nuclear safety concerns, complex engineering, and enormous costs kept the project from becoming real. The CL-1201 never flew, but it remains a powerful symbol of Cold War-era imagination and ambition, showing just how far people dreamed of pushing the boundaries of flight and technology. The X-Plane drone, created by Aurora Flight Sciences, is a groundbreaking aircraft with an exciting twist. It doesn't use traditional parts like rudders or ailerons to fly. Instead, it controls its movements using compressed air, which allows it to soar at an astonishing speed of up to 9,919 kilometers per hour. This futuristic design has caught the eye of DARPA, the US defense agency known for its cutting-edge projects. They see huge potential in the X-Plane drone, as it could completely transform the way high-speed drones are used, both for military missions and possibly in commercial industries as well. With its unmatched speed and innovative air control system, this drone could set a new standard for how aerial vehicles operate. It could be used for anything from fast-paced defense operations to delivering goods at lightning speed. The X-Plane drone isn't just about speed. It's about shaping the future of aviation with smarter, more efficient technology that could redefine flight as we know it. The Lilium jet is revolutionizing air travel with its futuristic, all-electric design. Unlike traditional planes, it can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for places without runways. Once in the air, it reaches impressive speeds, similar to a jet, thanks to its sleek aerodynamics and 30 small engines mounted on its wings. One of its standout features is efficiency. During cruise flight, it uses only 10% of its battery capacity, giving it an edge over other electric aircraft that are limited to short city hops. Instead of focusing on urban commutes, the Lilium Jet is built for longer regional journeys, connecting cities faster than cars or trains ever could. Beyond speed and convenience, it's also an environmentally friendly choice. With zero emissions and near-silent operation, it significantly reduces noise pollution while offering a smooth, quiet ride. By blending cutting-edge technology with sustainability, the Lilium Jet is paving the way for a new era of regional air mobility, one that's faster, cleaner, and more accessible than ever. The Glenn rocket marked a major milestone with its first flight on January 16, 2025. Named after astronaut John Glenn, this powerful heavy-lift vehicle is designed to carry up to 45,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit and features a partially reusable system. Its first stage is powered by 7 B4 engines, while the second stage relies on 2 B3U engines. Although the initial attempt to land the first stage on a drone ship was unsuccessful, the second stage successfully reached orbit, delivering the Blue Ring payload. This achievement highlights Blue Origin's dedication to advancing space technology and making access to space more efficient and reliable. With its impressive lifting capacity and reusability features, the Glenn rocket is poised to play a key role in future space missions, from commercial satellite launches to deep space exploration. As Blue Origin continues refining its technology, this rocket will be a crucial player in expanding humanity's reach beyond Earth, shaping the next chapter of space travel. The Avro Vulcan was a groundbreaking British bomber that stood out with its sleek delta wing shape. Entering service in 1956, it became a key part of Britain's nuclear defense during the Cold War, built to fly high and fast to deliver powerful weapons if needed. But the Vulcan wasn't limited to just nuclear missions. In 1982, it showed its strength and adaptability during the Falklands War by carrying out the famous Black Buck missions, at the time, the longest bombing raids in history. Known for its powerful engine roar and eye-catching design, the Vulcan captured attention wherever it flew. More than just a military aircraft, it became a symbol of British innovation and engineering excellence. Even today, it continues to inspire aviation fans and historians, remembered as one of the most iconic planes of its time.